What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today is a day like none other. Like I always say, Bitcoin cryptocurrency is a bowl full of emotions. It's a roller coaster up and down, man. I'm looking at the doggone charts right now, and Bitcoin just spit one of the nastiest red candles that you can imagine. This thing is ugly. Bitcoin dipping below $55,000 as we speak. Bitcoin down 6%, done lost about $4,000. Folks wondering what's going on. We know prior to this, folks have been talking about the consistency of the month of September being red, and we are starting off with a bang of one of the craziest and wickedest red candles that you can see. We're below $55,000 currently, $55,900. I don't know how far this thing's gonna go. I don't know how far we're going to tank, but we know that we also saw the traditional finance market. We saw the stock market get ripped today too. The stock market lost $1 trillion in one day. Now that's huge, that's massive. As you can see, Bitcoin is getting hit. Bitcoin is getting destroyed. I mean, this thing went down in a massive slide. The candle is just as straight as can be in the downward direction. Not sure what the heck is going on, but Bitcoin is volatile, to say the least. But we also understand, we got to keep in mind what part of the cycle that we're in. We can't be filled with FUD. We got to be the veterans. We got to trust the doggone cycle, trust the process. If we see the dip, we know the rules. It's like getting in that doggone football game on Sundays, and when you suit up, you put that helmet on, you put the knee pads on, you know the rules, you know the game plan. When you see the market dip, put that helmet on, you get up in the game. If it's 3rd and 10, you got to go deep, cut in the middle. I need the tight ends lined up. I need my receivers. We got to get the first down. The whole goal is to continue moving the chain. So when you see this dip, like it's dipping right now, dollar cost average in. Take advantage of these dips. And if it continue to dip, get your butt back in the game. We lining up again. Now it may be 3rd and 6. We getting the first down. We moving the chains. That's how we got to continue to dominate this doggone cryptocurrency bull market. We're not panicking because we understand what the game plan is. We trust in the process. We trust in the doggone 4-year cycles that we've been trusting, that we've been studying. Things have been lining up the exact same way. We know we're still early. We're expecting things to really start to kick off in October. Were they scaring us saying, okay, hey, every September the market's going to dip? Well, man, that's exactly what it's doing right now. But we understand how strong Bitcoin is. We understand how volatile cryptocurrency is. The same exact manner that it dipped down, had a wicked, nasty red candle that we're experiencing right now, this thing could do the opposite. It might not be today. It might not be tomorrow, but it could be next week when we could get a crazy, wicked green candle in an upward direction. So we're not tripping off this. We're not panicking off this. Bitcoin, $55,000. We're going to take it on the chin. We're going to eat it, but at the same time, we're going to continue to cook. We got our helmet on, knee pads on. We locked in. We coming into play because, like I say, I'm the coach. I could call the play, but I can't get in the game and run the ball for you. It's time for you to open up your account. Open up your doggone portfolio. Find you some of the greatest altcoins that you've been trying to buy. These things are dipping right now. If you don't have no exposure to Bitcoin, what better time to get yourself some exposure to Bitcoin when we are sitting at $55,000? Opportunities of a lifetime, opportunities of a lifetime, opportunities of a lifetime. Can you imagine what the large whales are doing? These guys are seeing that price at $55,000. They cannot pick up open up their portfolio fast enough to where they can buy millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. $55,000, man, this is bananas. We loving it right now. Does it hurt? Yeah, it hurt because our portfolio is getting destroyed, but at the same time, we got the bird's eye view. We looking at it months down the line. We're not looking at it just today. We're not looking at it just through next week. We're talking about 3 months, 6 months, 365 days, we got the doggone bird's eye view. We dollar cost averaging right now. We getting that dry powder from the side. We taking advantage of this doggone dip. This is a huge blowout sale, kind of like Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, where they tell you you better get your butt in line at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Some folks be camping out overnight to get sales prices of Bitcoin. $55,000. You have to stand in a long line to get Bitcoin at $55,000. So, man, do your own research. Open up your doggone portfolio. Understand what part of the cycle that we're in, that we are just about to hit that doggone rocket, heading into altcoin season. I'm expecting October to be very bullish. That's when I'm expecting things to really start to kick in with this green. Right now, we're just letting some air out of Bitcoin, having these doggone corrections. Ain't no big deal, flash crash, whatever you want to call it. We're going to take that $55,000 dip. We're going to take it on the chin, and we're going to continue to push. We're going to continue to rock. We're going to continue to roll. You look at these doggone altcoins. We got some of these doggone things are beat down to the max. Some of these coins, Brett's down 15%. A lot of folks been talking about Brett. Ave's down 13%. These are some great altcoins that are down on the day, down on the week. These things have been getting destroyed, and perfect opportunity for you to buy some of your favorite altcoins, especially meme coins. These things are getting destroyed. The Bitcoin dominance have went up. It's always interesting to watch how the Bitcoin dominance move in the upward direction. Whenever we see a dip or anything like that, that is pushing the Bitcoin dominance up, because Bitcoin dropped 15%. That means the other altcoins are down 9%, 10%, 15%. So that increases the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, we are 56.5. We are pushing our way up, heading to 59%, heading to 60%. But along the way, as Bitcoin dominance start to grow, we are going to shed a few tears. We're going to get ripped. We're going to get destroyed a little bit. Ethereum dominance is down 14.3. The Fear and Greed Index is 43. Who knows what a Fear and Greed Index will be in the next few hours, because when folks open up their portfolio and see Bitcoin at $55,000, the Fear and Greed Index is going to tank. Folks are going to freak out because they have not been doing their research. They don't have a bird's eye view, and they're not in your boy Stock Holiday Patreon. So, hey, we over there in the Patreon, we understand what's going on. We're not panicking. We stand 10 toes down, sticking to the fundamental, sticking to the script. We're dollar cost averaging in, buying some of our favorite altcoins that we've been looking at all year, taking advantage of a $55,000 Bitcoin. Plays like this is where you become Bitcoin cryptocurrency millionaires. It's times like this to where if you make the right plays, your portfolio will head in the right direction in the next 12 months, next 6 months, so forth and so on. But it starts in the beginning. You know, it starts early. You got to be able to be courageous enough to buy these dips when the market is in fearful, when the market is getting destroyed. On these red days like this, you got to step out with your Superman cape on, open up your doggone Superman cape, and you got to be courageous. You got to be the one that want to fly out there when nobody want to fly out there and buy Bitcoin at $55,000, when nobody want to buy Ethereum at $2,300. These are crazy steal prices. These are nothing but blowout sales, blue light specials, red light specials, whatever you want to call it. But these are opportunities of a lifetime. If you guys have been studying the charts, if you guys trust the process, you guys really understand the 4-year cycle with Bitcoin, the Bitcoin halving we just experienced April 2024. We got the spot Bitcoin ETF that is in the mix, only about 8-9 months old. We have a lot of great positive catalysts in the cryptocurrency market right now. So don't be fearful. You want to run in the other direction. While folks are running away, you want to run to Bitcoin. You want to run to cryptocurrency and all these other doggone altcoins. This is a crazy dip, but you have to know how to respond. You got to know how to react, because sometimes you got to play offense and sometimes you got to play defense. That's why I say I need my best 12 men, 11 guys, 12 guys on the field, Whatever it is to get the doggone job done. If we need to stop the bleeding, I need my defense lined up. And if we need to continue to push the chains, I gotta have my offense lined up. I gotta have my linemen, my running backs, my receivers. Everybody gotta be in tune. Everybody gotta understand the play and the doggone fundamentals of what Bitcoin is doing. $55,000 is an excellent price to be buying Bitcoin right now. Do not run away. Do not panic. Take advantage of this opportunity of a lifetime. You will be thanking yourself 12 months down the line. Like I said, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of folks who love cryptocurrency like you and I. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give you that good motivation. Coming to you every day to give you that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.